Hello everyone, my name is Georgina Cole and I've been living in Gouna on the Red Sea coast of Egypt for the past 17 years. I'm busy with an environmental project with Rotary Club of Red Sea Gouna, documenting the bird species of the Red Sea. I'm up to 100 species and now I have some super exciting news to tell you about the project. Canon Egypt have arranged for the latest technology in their camera and lenses to be delivered to use on this project. They've sent the Canon R6. It's a 20 megapixel full frame mirrorless camera. The Canon RF 800mm super telephoto lens, the Canon RF 100 to 500mm lens, and the Canon RF 1.4 extender, which is suitable for these lenses and the full frame. Now, I cannot wait to share the photographs and the videos that I will be taking. We also have involved in the project Red Sea Projects, a local NGO. They've translated the guide into 10 different languages and translated all the species into Arabic. I will share with you all the links so you can follow the progress of finding more species and how I get on with all this wonderful camera equipment. I just cannot wait. It's so exciting because we're here right on the migration route for the birds between Europe and Africa. So it's the perfect place to spot the species. So I hope to come back soon and share the work.